Welcome back to LuxLifeGoals, where we explore the world of luxury real estate investing. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you: the top 8 cities for high-end real estate investing in the US. Investing in luxury real estate can be a lucrative endeavor, but it's crucial to choose the right location. These cities not only offer opulent living, but also present excellent investment opportunities. So without further ado, let's dive into the list of the top 10 cities that should be on every luxury real estate investor's radar. As we journey through the top 10 cities for high-end real estate investments, we begin with the vibrant city of Seattle, Washington. With a median home price of $830,000 and 34% of listings above $1 million, Seattle offers a blend of urban luxury and natural beauty. Here, residents enjoy waterfront living, access to top-rated restaurants, and a cultural scene that includes world-class museums and theaters. Continuing our journey, we reach Denver, Colorado at number 7. Denver's median home price of $576,000 makes it an attractive choice for investors. With 27% of listings above $1 million, it's a city where luxury real estate is on the rise. Denver offers proximity to pristine mountain landscapes, a thriving craft beer scene, and an array of recreational activities that enhance the quality of life for its residents. Number 6 takes us to Miami, Florida, with a median home price of $793,000 and 48% of listings above $1 million. Miami offers a dynamic real estate landscape. Miami is a city of endless sun-soaked days, stunning waterfront properties, and a thriving art scene. It's where tropical paradise meets high-end living, making it an alluring destination for luxury real estate investors. Now, as we break into the top 5, we arrive in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C., with a median home price of $926,000 and 26% of listings above $1 million. This historic city boasts a thriving luxury real estate market. Washington, D.C. offers access to iconic landmarks, a vibrant arts community, and a diverse culinary scene that caters to discerning tastes. Continuing our journey, we reach Austin, Texas at number 4 with a median home price of $550,000 and 24.7% of listings above $1 million. Austin is emerging as a hotspot for luxury real estate investments. Austin, known for its live music, tech innovation, and cultural diversity, offers a unique blend of urban energy and natural beauty. It's a city where luxury living is synonymous with unique experiences. Now, as we enter the top 3, we find ourselves in San Diego, California, with a median home price of $910,000 and 58.6% of listings above $1 million. San Diego's real estate market is on the rise. Residents in San Diego enjoy the quintessential Southern California lifestyle with beautiful beaches, a mild climate, and a booming craft beer industry. Number 2 brings us to the iconic city of San Francisco, California, with a median home price of $1.3 million and 62.1% of listings above $1 million. San Francisco's real estate market has long been synonymous with luxury. Here you'll find breathtaking views, historic neighborhoods, and a thriving tech scene that defines the city's identity. And finally, we arrive at our number 1 spot, Los Angeles. This sprawling metropolis is not only famous for Hollywood stars, but also for its thriving luxury real estate market. With a median home price of $926,000, 63.6% of listings above $1 million, and a remarkable 11.6% of listings above $5 million, Los Angeles offers an unparalleled investment landscape. In Los Angeles, you can indulge in the finest gastronomy, enjoy breathtaking views, lounge on pristine beaches, and experience top-notch service and quality. It's a city where luxury meets lifestyle, making it the ultimate destination for high-end real estate investments. And there you have it, our list of the top 10 cities for high-end real estate investments. Whether you're looking for the glamour of Los Angeles or the emerging opportunities in Austin, these cities offer a diverse range of investment possibilities. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, if you want more insights on real estate investing, be sure to subscribe to LuxLifeGoals. Thank you for joining us today, and happy investing in the world of luxury real estate. Stick around for more exclusive insights in the world of luxury real estate investing. Until next time.